Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a basic full stack app using Spring Boot, Postgres and React. We will cover the basic functionality. Backend setup. Let's start with the backend. Spring Boot dependencies. Add these dependencies: JPA, Web and Postgres. The database connection. Set up your database connection in the application.properties file. Also, for this demo, I will use a database called employees. Let's move to user entity. Create a user entity class with two properties, ID and first name. Include the necessary constructors and gather and setter methods. Let's move to the repository. Create a repository interface that extends from JPA repository, and this will manage your user entity objects in the database. Let's move to user service. Create a user service class with a method that returns a list of user entity objects. And lastly, user controller. Create a controller to handle HTTP requests. In my case, I create just one endpoint, and this endpoint handle get requests. This will call the get user method from the user service to retrieve all user entities. Something that is important, I configure the cross origin for current configuration. Set up current configuration to allow the frontend to connect to the backend without errors. Let's move to the frontend setup. Now let's see the configuration. I'll create a project named client using byte. The proxy configuration: to connect the backend endpoint, configure the proxy in byte config.js. And by adding the following code: server, proxy, and the AP endpoint. And also, is an important package I use it is Axios. Install Axios to make HTTP requests. The main script is up. Our main component is up. And use the useState hook to create a user array or a client array. Make a request to the backend to get users and save the response in the client's array, and display all of the users in this just looping all of the array, and display each user in the client side. Finally, you can find the complete code in my GitLab repository. I will leave the link repository in the comments. And let's run this demo. Okay, in the README, I leave a command which is export cat dot env pipeline xargs is just for set up the variables of the database. And if we run the backend and the frontend, both are fine. And let's check the frontend. And this is the frontend app. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps you create your own basic full stack app.